Hey guys, so today I'm sharing this process video with you. It is a 6x8 spread from my Disney album from 2016, which I'm still very diligently working on. I think I have like maybe 5 or 6 more spreads, so hopefully I'll be able to share a walk or flip through with you guys soon. So I'm going to be using the mini kit that was designed by LLP Paper for the Kelly Perky shop in February. Unfortunately, this is already sold out because it was just a really great kit and everything. LLP Paper designs, it's just, I love it so much. But I figured I'd share this anyway, show you how I use the kit this month. So as you saw before, I'm just using some like plain craft cardstock for the base for that upper left-hand card. Just to bring some of like the warmth and the browns from the right side over to the left side of the spread. And then I'm using this that blue details card from the kit. And then I'm going ahead with the Today stamp from the stamp set. I really need to fix my, framing, because I feel like I'm always too high or too low. Anyway, so I'm gonna go in with that Today stamp and just stamping it 3 times to get that kind of faded look. I think I used to do this a lot when I first started scrapbooking, and I just recently reignited my love for the look of it. So that's why I'm doing that. I do that a couple times. I've done that a couple times in the past project I've put together. And the background, or the paper I used, was also from the kit. I just cut off the 3 sides and then I ripped the bottom, because again, that's something I used to do a lot more when I first started scrapbooking. So I kind of feel like I'm starting from scratch in the terms of like the techniques that I've been using lately. Maybe because I've been away from scrapbooking for so long, but I really like the look of it. It kind of has like the whole scrappy part of scrapbooking, if that makes any sense. So I'm going back in with that stamp set. This stamp set's awesome. There's lots of really cute smaller sentiments, some really nice bigger pieces. You have that like signature handwritten kind of style from LLP Paper, which I love. So I just use that stamp that says "Love this so much." I've been using the archival, what is this? The Ranger archival ink for stamping on photos, which stamping on photos always makes me kind of nervous because I tend to not do it as well as I used to. I used to use StazOn ink a lot, but it just, my StazOn ink is totally dead and I've just been too lazy to pick up a new one. So I've been using this Ranger ink that I've had for a while, and it works pretty good. I'm stamping on matte prints from Persnickety Prints, if anyone is wondering. So now that I did that, I'm going to go in with the alpha that comes with this kit. Again, I've raved about Kelly Perky alphas before, but they're my legit favorite. I have a bunch of Studio Calico ones I love as well, but usually I reach for my Kelly Perky ones first, just because they're the perfect size and they're just so nice and neat. Like, you're not too big, not too flashy, and they're just perfect for pocket scrapbooking. So I'm just throwing those on that photo of Cupcakes. This spread is from when we went to Disney Springs, and it was colder than we would have liked for Florida. But we went to Sprinkles and got entirely too much sugar. I think we both got a cupcake ice cream sandwich, which was kind of ridiculous. We felt sick afterwards. I don't even think we finished our desserts, and it was just way too much sugar. But it was delicious. It's very good. I think I got birthday cake with Cap'n Crunch ice cream. I don't know. It was great. It tasted like, you know, when you have Cap'n Crunch cereal and it just gets all soggy in the milk and the milk just tastes extra sweet. That's what it tasted like, and it was great. So yeah, that's what this spread is about pretty much. It's just about sugar. So as you saw, I went back in with that stamp set. Just added that little, like, it's like a dotted line kind of thing, just to make the, I guess it's kind of like a title, pop out more on that card. So it kind of does fade into the background of the picture, but I like it. I like the way it looks, so I left it. I did some journaling there. I think I'm starting to finish up this page. Lately, most of my projects are Disney related. I think I just, with like the cold weather, like it's been so cold here, I just want to go back to Florida and be at least a little bit warmer. But I'm pretty sure I'm almost done with this page. I think I'm stamping one last thing. Yeah, I'm using that details stamp from the stamp set. Again, it just kind of ties everything together, gives that journaling card a little bit of an like a title. And then at this point, I'm just finishing gluing everything down. I wanted to go straight in the middle for that upper left hand card because I think it kind of mirrors the Cupcake ATM in the lower right hand corner, just with like the arrows going down too, and you have like the 3 todays. So that was kind of cool. Then I just put the date on there just to add a little something extra. It's a really simple page, but I think I really like the way it turns out. The colors kind of remind me of cotton candy, which is not a bad thing. But yeah, so I'm just gonna add one last star to bring some of that blue up to that card and just tie the whole thing together. So the detail shots should be right about here, I think, in like 2 seconds. Yeah, here you go. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I'll add links to everything down below. Let me know if you like this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you guys. Thanks for watching and I'll talk to you guys next time.